Today, I am going to show you a super flavorful and aromatic recipe, Mangalorean style mushroom ghee roast. It's quick, spicy and made with freshly ground masala. Let's get started. Take a mixie jar, add 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 3 to 4 cashews, 3 to 4 dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon fennel seeds and 2 teaspoon of whole coriander seeds. Add around 30 ml of tamarind extract. This really enhances the flavor and aroma. Grind everything into a smooth, thick paste. This color will be rich and aroma amazing. Keep the masala aside. Heat a kadai on medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add ground masala. If it feels too thick, add little water. Roast on low-medium flame, stirring continuously. After few minutes, the masala will turn glossy and oil will start separating. This step is a key for authentic ghee roast flavor. Now add 200 grams of cleaned and chopped mushrooms. Mix well. The mushrooms will release water, so keep cooking until all the moisture evaporates and the masala coats them well. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and quarter teaspoon of jaggery powder. Mix well. Jaggery perfectly balances the spice. Finish with fresh curry leaves and switch off the flame. That's it. Serve this hot with steaming rice or chapati. It tastes absolutely delicious. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy cooking!